Hi, I'm Felicity, a global humanitarian studies student here at UCL. Now that lectures are wrapped up for the year and exams are in full swing, it's totally normal to feel a little bit disconnected from campus life. So I just wanted to share a few ways that you can stay connected to UCL over the course of Term 3, even if you're revising and buried under books. Number 1, study spaces that are not your bedroom. I know the temptation to stay at home and study from bed is strong. But if you're looking for a change of scene, UCL has a range of libraries open 24/7 during exam season.
If you're part of the Maths and Physical Sciences faculty, the Science Library is a great option.
It's packed with loads of useful resources specific to your course. Number 2, not sure what's on this week? Check your inbox. I always make time to skim through the student newsletter. It lands in my inbox every week from the Activities and Engagement Officer, and it showcases a range of really interesting things to do both on Bloomsbury and UCL East campuses. This week, for example, there was a gallery walk, a candle making workshop, and even the Festival of the Moving Image at the Bloomsbury Theatre. Definitely worth a scroll. Number 3, department talks and events. Don't forget your faculty and department are probably running events too. The MAPS faculty regularly holds public lectures and talks. Just this week, there was a fascinating inaugural lecture by Professor Iliari on causality and collaboration. And coming up on the 20th, there's a talk about what life on Mars could look like in the future. In my department, RDR, we've had a few great events lately. I went to one today about making the most of your internship, which is super useful as I have one lined up for the summer. We also had an excellent talk with Professor Shams about data-driven science and water insecurity. Number 4, societies aren't on pause. Even with exams happening, clubs and societies are still running. I'm part of the Yoga and Meditation Society. They run weekly classes and it is such a good way to take a break and escape that exam stress. And if your society is up for an award this year or you just fancy celebrating Term 3, the Student Union Awards are coming up really soon. Grab a ticket and make a night of it. So those are a few ways that you can stay connected to UCL during Term 3. Whether you're after study spots, creative events, or just a way to decompress. And if you're watching this as a way to avoid revision, yeah, I get it. But seriously, close the tab and get back to it. You've got this. See you around campus!